Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Libras, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Libras, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, that may answer your questions or clear your doubts you may have in your situation, guys. So, let's see what are these cards. We have Empress, Four of Fire, and Seven of Earth. So, Libras, in your situation, guys, it may be in your career situation or it may be in your relationship. You are feeling really happy today, confident, inspired in your situation. Maybe for some of you, you have your intuition guiding you, helping you in your work situation or when you're making some important choices. So you feel really nourished, brimming with happiness, brimming with skills and talents to handle your situation successfully, guys. And you are happy for the way things are. So for some of you, you are seeing some positive offers in your career situation, guys. And you are making important choices for yourself. You have a clear you have your dreams and goals in front of you. You want to achieve certain things and you know the ways to reach those goals and what needs to be done. So you are planning and deciding on the opportunities you need to grab to reach those goals and dreams today, guys. So you are planning your future, planning the strategy for success in your situation today, guys. And it is a wonderful time, wonderful day, because I see you brimming with confidence, ready to take on any situation confidently, make it work. And maybe you are getting the offers and opportunities also. So in your work situation, you have a lot of opportunities coming towards you, positive opportunities, something which you are happy about, and you are making the right choice, maybe what opportunities to choose for yourself, guys. And in this relationship, so it may be a situation in your career or in relationship, guys. Maybe if you are open to a new relationship, you may find people interested in you coming to propose to you. And also in your relationship, you see, if you are already in a connection, guys, if you have someone with you, you may see yourself stepping up deeply into this connection, moving towards a firm commitment with this person, and you are happy and you are celebrating this new new step or a new phase in this connection, and you are celebrating this love, feeling happy, feeling really thankful for having this person in your life. So I see a very positive connection you have in this with this person you love, guys. So maybe if you are in a connection, you are moving towards engagement or marriage or a deeper commitment. Or if you are open to a new relationship, you see people interested coming towards you, Libras. So that is the reading with these cards, Libras. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys. So now let's start the reading with the first card. So let's see what it is. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is, I'll leave it here, guys. Cherish innocence. So in your situation, guys, maybe your circumstances do not permit you to be playful and cheerful. Maybe there are huge burdens on your shoulders, a lot of things on your mind. But this angel card, the angel's guidance is that for you all today is to find that inner child, have curious eyes in your situation, be playful, have fun, and allow yourself to see things differently without fear, and have that wonder and curiosity in your vision, guys. And do not take things too seriously, just have fun, laugh around, be childlike with wonder and joy, and allow yourself to experience simple things which will give you joy and happiness. Just playing around, making fun, maybe, guys, just being like a child, maybe simply going out, enjoying your day. That is going to change the way things are in your situation. It is going to make you light-hearted, and you will feel a great relieved from your burdens and all that stress, anxiety you are experiencing today, and allow yourself to laugh, be happy. So happiness attracts more happiness, guys. You should not forget that. So when you are happy, no matter what your situation is, you are going to see that happiness unfolding in your situation also, guys. So you are going to enjoy more happiness today because of this cheerful attitude you have in your life, in your situation today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So this is the second card for you all, guys, for those who chose this card. It is Puss in Boots, and it means wit. So in our circumstances today, in our situation, you need to use your skills and talents, your wit and your shrewdness today in your situation, cleverness. So it just means that there are blessings in your situation. Maybe you have received some kind of a blessing. You may not see it as a blessing, but it is. And when you put that to the best use, when you use your skills and talents to the optimum, you are going to see changes and great success in your situation. So you are going to use your witty side, that genius side, that tricking mind to achieve certain things. Do not wait for opportunities to come to you, but you need to go forward, move forward, and grab those opportunities, whatever you want to achieve, guys. And maybe for some of you, you have a very clever friend with you. So if you have someone like that in your situation and they are suggesting you certain things, you must listen to them, guys. Maybe in this relationship, they are here giving you counsel or suggestions regarding certain things. You must listen to them and you are going to see success if you are able to optimize each and every opportunity you have in your life today. Maybe in this relationship, by being really what to say clever, you are going to achieve what you want in this relationship, maybe with this person, and you have what you need within yourself, so you need not look for something outside. So you just need to what to say be really wise to use your talents and skills at the right time, at that right opportunity. So that is what this card is about, guys. So it may be a situation in your relationship requiring your skills and talents and your what to say that witty side to come into action today, guys. So that is what I see with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.